We're gonna do an unboxing of a placenta.
Encapsulation. So I gave birth on Saturday, went home on Monday, and today's Thursday. Just got my capsules in the mail today. Oops. And I'm kind of excited. Congratulations card. And some dried remnants and a little heart. Let's actually open that up. There's a good quantity of capsules in here. And there's my dried up placenta, ready for me to eat and feel better after my pregnancy. Day 1 through 4, 2 capsules 3 times daily. Day 5 through 14, 2 capsules 2 times daily, then 2 capsules 1 times daily, or just take 2 capsules 1 times a day. From the start if you're feeling well, maybe taken with or without food. Stop taking capsules if you develop any infections such as mastitis, uterine infection, UTI, flu, or common cold. Continue use when illness clears. You may refrigerate capsules for maximum freshness. Keep capsules dry. Freeze remaining capsules for long-term storage. Congratulations on the birth of your newborn baby. Thank you, Tamara.